Little bit of time, but definitely very happy with what has happened today. It has been a long journey. Started post 2024 World Cup when BCCI at that time, Jay Bhai, that time Secretary Rohit Bhai and everyone, they showed faith in me, gave me an opportunity to lead this wonderful side, and then it was a long cycle coming here again at the Sri Narendra Modi Stadium and doing it. I think it's a special feeling.
How do you keep the pressure of being favourites away? Everyone's talking about India being favourites. What was that the conversation in the dressing room as well, saying we are front runners, we'll do it?
I think we knew that we were playing some good cricket throughout the 2 years, and it was going really well. We just wanted to follow all the good habits which we followed in 2024 T20 World Cup. Tell the boys the same thing. What is the feeling of winning a World Cup? How do we want to play in the bilateral series? That taste which we want to take forward and go on to play a T20 World Cup. I think that was actually invited to everyone to the team, and the boys took it really well.
It was particularly admirable that you kept faith with players. Whether it was Varun Chakravarti, whether it was Abhishek Sharma, whether it was Sanju Samson.
I think it's really important to understand what they are capable of, and I knew they had the match winners in them. I think the timing was perfect for Sanju to come in. Varun Chakravarti, Abhishek Sharma, world number one players. We always knew that they had something special. No bigger stage than a final to do something, and also especially how Jasprit Bumrah, Hardik Pandya, Akshar Patel, they have been in the circuit for a really long time, taking care of each other with all the support staff. I think it was very special.
Tell me how it is to have that magician Bumrah in your side.
That's what I said. Like how Sanju said in the last game, he wanted to give his man of the match to Jasprit Bumrah. Once in a generation bowler, I can call him as a national treasure right now, but he knows what needs to be done, how it needs to be done, the best in the business, and hopefully he keeps doing that.
They're all looking here. They're waiting for you to go there. Surya Kumar Yadav, captain of India. It must be a fantastic feeling. And now you can go and receive your trophy from Mr. Jay Shah, chairperson of the ICC. And well done.
Thank you, Ahmedabad.